Studio Squad. For everyone new, welcome to Kiara Studio. I am Amber and this is my new art studio. In today's video, I'm going to show you all of my outdoor plants. This is my garden tour. There are two white bell pepper plants right here. This is a green bell pepper plant. Across from the bell pepper plants are my squash plants. These are my summer squash plants. They are straight necks and I love their yellow color. I am growing them inside of these 5-gallon buckets. Make sure you watch this whole video because I'm going to show you how I prune off the summer squash to harvest it. Right next to the summer squash are my tomato plants. These are cherry tomato plants. I'm growing them inside of 5-gallon buckets as well. These plants smell so good. The ants don't really mess with my tomato plants. They rather hang out around my summer squash plants and eat the male flowers on those plants. I heard that it is common for ants to eat the pollen in male zucchini plants. This is my only jackfruit plant. To be honest, the summer weather has not been nice to it, so it's been taking a while to grow. A bunch of leaves fell off due to the heat. This is a green bush bean plant. I'm going to get rid of this one and the yellow one pretty soon. This is a yellow bean plant. This is my white Casper pumpkin plant. It is vine-like with these huge, beautiful green leaves. This is the August moon plant. This is my mosquito plant. I believe that it is definitely helping to keep the bugs away from us and it smells so good. It's time for me to harvest the summer squash. I'm wearing gloves because of the prickly stems on these plants. After harvesting the yellow squash, I did cut off the bad leaves. There were only a few. Couple of reasons that the leaves go bad is because they're close to the ground, it's too much water, reasons like that. This plant has broad leaves so that it can protect the fruit from the sun. It is important to prune the fruit off of the plant at just the right time. The fruit should not be too young and it shouldn't stay on a plant to the point where the fruit gets too mature. It is very easy to remove the fruit from the plant. I just simply find a fruit that looks like it's about that age where it should come off. I was away from my home for 2 days, therefore I had someone else watering my garden and they did an excellent job watering my garden. However, the first fruit is older because it took me longer to prune off of the plant. I specifically took the older fruit and I diced it up and made little snacks for my dog to eat later. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video, share this video, watch it as many times as you want, and subscribe to Kiara Studio on YouTube if you haven't yet. You'll see me in my next video. Goodbye.